So they're giving us a graph here and it's asking which of the function best represents this graph. So what do we do here? The only thing is we're going to type in what is given here. So let's go with A, which is -1 divided by 2 x squared plus 16. And we're just going to match these that they look alike. So the first thing that I like to do is to click on this dot, which is 16. Is that 16? No, it's not. It's actually just 8. So automatically I don't check anything else. Let me go on to the next one, which is negative x squared plus 16. I click the highest point. It says 16 and it's not the same one because this is just 8. So let me go to the next one, which is -1 over 2 x squared plus 8. And then I go up here, I click the highest point, it's 8, and this is 8. So far we have the highest point, which is the vertex at 8. Now we need to check these points right here. This point on the right is a 4. I click on it, it's a 4. And this one is a -4. I click on it, it's a -4. So all my 3 major points in this graph, they match. So my answer for this one, it is H.